so annoying. So hard.
Asia,
Yes.
I just came back from the doctor.
What happened?
I have the sniffles.
No!
The doctor says I only have today to live.
No! You can't die on me! You can't. No! No! You can't die.